So hello everyone, so we're going to represent the network components. So first, let's talk about the introduction to network components. So network components are essential building blocks that form and operate a network, facilitating communication and data transfer. Understanding these components is crucial for designing and managing effective networking solutions. Definition of network components. Network components refer to the various hardware and software elements that enable communication within a network. This includes devices like routers, switches, and cables that facilitate data transfer between nodes in a network framework. Importance in networking. Understanding network components is essential for troubleshooting, optimizing performance, and enhancing security. They play a pivotal role in establishing connectivity, ensuring efficient data transmission, and supporting various applications and services. Overview of types. Network components can be categorized into hardware components such as routers and switches, and software components like network protocols and managed software. Each type serves a specific function in maintaining and organizing the network infrastructure. Network hardware. Network hardware is essential for enabling communication between devices within a network. It includes key components such as routers, switches, and cables that facilitate data transmission and connectivity. Routers. So routers are devices that forward data packets between computer and networks. They determine the optimal path for data transmission and can connect multiple networks such as local area networks or LANs to wide area networks or WANs. So which switches? Switches operate at the data link layer and are responsible for connecting devices within a single network. They manage data traffic efficiency, performing packet switching and filtering to minimize collisions. Hubs. Hubs are basic networking devices that connect multiple Ethernet devices, making them act as a single network segment. They broadcast incoming data to all ports, which can lead to collisions and network inefficiency. Network cables such as Ethernet cables facilitate wired connections between devices in a network. They come in various types including coaxial, twisted pair, and fiber optic, each serving different transmission needs. Modems. Modems are devices that modulate and demodulate signals for communication over telephone lines or coaxial cables. They serve as the gateway between your local network and the internet, enabling data transmission.
Next is understanding network protocols. Network protocols are essential standards that govern data transmission and communications over networks. They ensure interoperability and facilitate communication between different devices and applications, enabling seamless connectivity across diverse networks. TCP or IP. TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol. Internet Protocol is the fundamental suite of protocols that underpin the Internet. It breaks down data into packets, ensuring reliable delivery and addressing the routing of these packets across networks. UDP, User Data Program Protocols, is a connectionless protocol offering reduced latency by transmitting data without establishing a connection, ideal for real-time applications like video streaming and gaming. It sacrifices reliability for speed. The next is HTTP or HTTPS. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the foundation of data communication on the web, while HTTP Secure adds a layer of security through encryption. Together, they enable secure and reliable web browsing and data exchanges. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is used for transferring files between a client and server. Operates in two modes, active and passive, allowing users upload and downloads files efficiently across networks. DHCP. DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Automates the assignment of IP address within a network. It enables devices to join a network seamlessly by dynamically allocating IP addresses, reducing administrative overhead.
Next, wireless networking components. Wireless networking components enable devices to connect without physical cables, creating versatile and efficient network. Understanding these components is essential for designing robust wireless infrastructures that cater for various user needs. Wireless Access Point (WAPS). WAPS serve as the bridge between wired and wireless networks, allowing devices to connect to a wired network using Wi-Fi. They expand network coverage and support multiple devices simultaneously, making them essential for modern environments like office and homes. NICs are hardware components that enable devices to communicate over a network. They can be wired or wireless. With the wireless NICs, facilitating Wi-Fi connectivity, those allowing devices to join wireless networks seamlessly. Antennas. Antennas play a critical role in wireless communication by converting electrical signals into radio waves and vice versa. They enhance signal strength and range, making it possible for remote devices to connect effectively. Repeaters. Repeaters amplify wireless signals to extend the range, ensuring connectivity in larger areas or through obstacles. They are essential in environments where standard signal cannot reach due to distance and interference. Mesh system. Mesh system consists of multiple nodes that communicate with one another to create a cohesive network. They provide extensive coverage, reduce dead zone, and optimize connectivity for multiple devices across larger areas.
Next is network security components. Network security components comprise the essential tools and technologies that protect networks from various threats. They serve to safeguard sensitive data and maintain the integrity of network systems through various methods and protocols. Firewalls. Firewalls act as a barrier between trust internal networks and untrust external networks. They monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic on predetermined security rules, preventing unauthorized access and various forms of attacks. Intrusion detection system. Detect and alert on possible intrusion or attacks in the network by analyzing traffic patterns and checking for signature of known threats. They provide an essential layer of security, helping to identify breaches in real time. Virtual private networks. Create secure connections over public networks, ensuring that data encrypted and privacy is maintained. They allow remote users to connect to a private network safely, protecting sensitive information from eavesdropping. Security protocols. Security protocols are standardized methods for securing data transmission over networks. Examples include SSL, TLS for web security, IPsec for network layer protection, and SSH for secure remote access to systems. Authentication devices are crucial for verifying user identities before granting access to networks. Common examples include hardware tokens, biometric scanners, and multi-factor authentication system, enhancing overall security posture.
And that's all for our presentation about network components, and thank you for watching.